In this video, we will demonstrate how to assemble and adjust the weaning chair. Assembly should take less than 15 minutes. No tools are required for assembly, and it is recommended that you assemble the chair on a carpeted surface. You should have received a left side, a right side, a back, and a seat. First, we will connect the back to one of the sides. Make sure the grooves on the tabs are facing toward the front of the chair like so, and insert the tabs on the back panel into the wide side of the slots on the side panel. Push down on the back panel to lock it in place. You can also use a rubber mallet to more easily connect the panels. Next, attach the other side panel the same way. Insert the tabs on the back panel into the wide side of the slots on the side panel, and push down on the back panel to lock it in place. Finally, turn the chair on its back to install the seat. Spread the side panels apart slightly, and with the instruction side facing the bottom of the chair, insert the tabs on the seat into the slots on the side panels at the desired height. Push down on the seat to lock it in place. Congratulations! You've just assembled your weaning chair. To adjust the height of the seat as your child grows, you will need something stiff but soft to use as a lever, such as a wooden spoon or spatula, which won't damage the chair. Don't use anything metal, which will scratch the chair. Turn the chair on its back like so. Loosen the seat using the lever. Once the seat is loosened, spread the side panels apart slightly and remove the seat. Spread the side panels again and insert the tabs on the seat into the slots at the new desired height. Push down on the seat to lock it in place.